All right. Thank you, Mikey, for invitation. Good evening, everyone. I will show you some of my experience about Power BI maps. This title outside your country. I think the many of you wouldn't try to prepare a map of my country, but about it in a few minutes. For now, agenda. First, something about me, introduction, sources, Power BI demo. I will show you a live demo, so you will see it from scratch. And at the end, maybe there will be some questions. So this is time for our conversation. All right. My name is Jacek Nosal. I am business intelligence consultant, previously developer, analyst, architect of working in Microsoft SQL server environment. I'm from Poland. I work for a Polish business intelligence company named EBIS. Sometimes I'm trainer. I train groups in dashboard in a day course or any other dedicated for our customers. I got experience with Microsoft Excel over 25 years with SQL Server, especially as developer. It's 16 years, so it's quite a lot of time with these technologies. I was a consultant of Polish ERP system in a few areas. I'm member of Data Community Poland, one of the quarters in Krakow. I try sometimes to share my knowledge. I often I'm going to community to be attendee, so this is quite long story. And 2 years ago, with Dominik and Mateusz, we founded Krakow Power BI user group. In next week, we will have 6 meeting of this community. And I'm husband, I'm father of 3 children, and that's almost everything about me. So this is beginning, but before demo, I will share with you some of my experience. Why maps of Poland, and what are the most, in my opinion, challenges to do it for persons from another country. In my wish list is preparing kind of solution for whole Europe. So I hope there will my free time in this year and next year, I will be building a kind of free solution for everybody who want to use it for whole Europe. First of my inspiration was a man who you can know, David Eltersveld. But I found today, preparing for this demo, that his GitHub with topo.json library is empty. It's a big pity, but I started in this place a few years ago. There was a library with shapefiles for many countries which are not available in standard Power BI solution for shape maps. So this is library and inspiration for me. I love maps. I almost everything try to visualize with using maps because I think this is very important for business and for data analyst to have information about placement in our geography. So where anyone can start? I think the first step could be Wikipedia and administrative divisions of Poland. This is a place where anybody from whole world can get knowledge, some basic knowledge about Polish administration and map administration. What is it? How is it built? There are three levels. The highest level is voivodeships, next are powiats, next are gminas. There are 16, only 16 voivodeships is on this first level. Powiats, there are 380 powiats, and gminas, there are almost 2,500 gminas in our country. And anyone who would like to build this data can use source from Wikipedia. This is the easiest way. But can Power BI use this data? I think I will show you what kind of problems you can find on your way. So let's go to the Power BI. Let's copy this link to the website. And let's start preparing some data. So we will take data from the web. All right. We got navigator. All right. This is this table. Perfect. All right. So on the first step, we've got a connection with Power Query, which helps us prepare data. This is quite simple table with 16 voivodeships. So we don't need this column. So I will remove this. This is very, very easy way. This is a name of English name of voivodeships, Polish name, and this is number of voivodeship. This is very, very simple. Only 16 data in our let's say data set. So let's take a field map and try to use geolocation. What is it? There should be 16 areas, but there is one problem. When we look at the data, some names of voivodeships are similar to their capitals. So there is one. This is first problem which you could find on your way to prepare to build this kind of visualization with map. So maybe we will try to use Polish name. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, much better. So I think that translation isn't perfect, isn't ideal for being map when you use universal English names for these places. So first of all, let's see for the names. There are names in English, in Polish, and this is at the beginning. When we want to go one step lower to the powiats, there are challenges because there are 380 powiats in Poland. How to build it? There is, of course, list of powiats in Wikipedia. Everyone can find it, but there are. I will show you examples that it's not so easy to use it in English version. So I will check, yes, list of Polish counties. Yes. This is it. When we use again this in Power BI, let's go Power Query, new source, web. All right, this is this list. Okay. Rename it. Counties. And in this place, there is another issue which you can find. There are metrics data which are used another separator than in databases. So this is one of the challenges. Next one, when you can see at this data, counties can have similar names. What is it about? I will show you on another example in the free resources. Right, this is one of our Polish traditional bread, similar to bagels, bubliks, but this is also known areas surrounding main city with another counties. You can watch for this in example. This is in the center, the city of Krakow, and two counties which are surrounding. One name one of this is Krakowski, Kraków and Krakowski, and second Wielicki. This is quite often situation in big cities in Poland, but this is a great example to be careful how this can be seen in higher resolution. So in this kind of maps, which uses polygons, there can be find that they are not perfect. They are not pixel perfect. How would I say? There are some kind of errors on the borders of this two areas. So when we back in Power BI, you can find this that some names in Polish names are only using the word powiat, which means county, and name of this powiat. In English manner, there is another convention. There is a name of main city and county. Where there is a big city, there is only name of the city without word county. Okay, so let's go and look how Power BI will locate this data. Oh, it's one error. I need to get back to Power Query. Right, this is error. What's that mismatch? All right, this type mismatch in these columns with values. So I will, for now, I will remove this. And I hope we don't need this data for now. Oh, that's fine. Okay, so we go one step lower. We can mark column county as county, yes, and next we can use field map and location which use, I hope properly, location of county. Oh, it's not perfect. It's not perfect. In Kenya, we see Nisa County in Kenya. It's not this what we expected, but what is in Poland? In Poland, there is much better, but we see white places. Why are they here? Because of naming convention. Naming convention, which uses a very similar name of the local capital and this surrounding area. This is big problem. You can find in the next step list of counties and voivodeships from Polish Wikipedia. You can take this split this data. Not split, sorry. You can add this data into one column and then build a bigger key for this kind of data. But in Poland, there are every region has its own number. This can be found in our government statistical institution. There is a registry known TERIT. I show you in Polish because I don't think I could go to this page using English. It's every time going to the homepage. So you must. I can show you, of course. When we're in English, there are information about English, but this important menu is in Polish, so you need to use some knowledge in Polish, and when we come back to third registry, everything is in Polish. So this is place when you can find any number of every territory in Poland on the level of voivodeships, next county, and gmina. Gmina is the lowest one, but it's not simple to connect this data with Wikipedia, because there can be differences in naming convention, because in Poland we have few additional letters. These letters can give you this letter can give you small errors, and for the most important thing, we have on this second level in Poland, we have 10 pairs of powiats. So let's go to Power BR for a moment. We've got 10. This is county. Maybe I will show this will be this is county Brzesko. We have in Poland city, small city named Brzesko, but we've got also another city called Brzeg, but this is also county Brzeski in these two places. So you need to know something about convention in another language, where can you find duplicates on this level. On this level in Poland, there are only this sounds funny, only 10 duplicates. We've got the same names of the regions in in different voivodeships. On the next level, lower level in gminas, there are all, over 200 duplicates in whole Poland. So what can we do next? I built some library in GitHub. So when we go to Bing, let's GitHub. Jacek EU. You can find repository with map patient Poland counties. This is a flat CSV file, but what you can find for every county, precise latitude and longitude of the centroid of this area. So when you get this data to the Power BI, maybe I will download this, right? That here, and if you want to show it in Power BI, there shouldn't be any problem. So for the end, let's get data from CSV file. Download it is here, right? That's data. Count this area. This is county code with counties are in Polish convention you are using four numbers. This is this could be decimal, and this could be no. All right. So because I didn't replace settings. It should be, maybe we'll try to do this in this way. So we've got third data source, API, field map. Yes. And Git2, one Git2. Come on, Power BI. I must be numbers. No. So let's get back and help our query.
Hey, Jacek.
Yes.
We have a suggestion from the room that the columns are the wrong way.
Yeah, so in the data set, I think the column names have been incorrectly named. So what's called the longitude in your data set should actually be called the latitude, and vice versa.
All right. Yes. Yes.
Good interaction.
So.
Stop. You don't want to see my face.
And after a few whiles, we got, I would say, perfect map, which is in all areas. There are no white or darker blue places. I used for this some kind of GIS software to get centroids of all areas, but there can be some another issues when the polygons are not fully connected. This software could not find the centroid of the this kind of area, and when you use area near water, that was in Gdynia and Gdańsk, you can find the centroid to be in the water area. So there are some issues which you can find when preparing. But I did it, I checked it, and these locations are for now ready to go for anyone who wants to use it. On Sunday in Poland we have elections to parliament, so I think there will be great value to use this data set and show preferences of Polish adults in Poland and for many other various statistics, mainly statistics solutions. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Thank you for finding this small error in my data. Do you have any questions? So please.